Welcome back to another video. Today we're shopping at Lowe's. We're going to be looking at the two deals, all the clearance, all the lower prices. Yeah, we do got some mowers here. Walking in, they got a huge selection here. The Craftsman, the John Deere, and the Husqvarna. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon so we can buy more tools, make more tool review videos. Alright, let's go ahead and get started. Pretty much, they got the $99 deals here from Kobalt. So you can buy pretty much any of these tools, and it's $99. And they got the Yeti section here, $39 for a bucket, $2.99 for a cooler, or $1.99 for the cooler. So yeah, these prices are kind of priced. This brand's actually kind of pricey, so but it's a good quality brand. And $34.98 for those radios there, those walkie-talkies. You got some toolboxes, accessories here, so definitely nice to check them out. Sometimes they got some nice stuff. $11.98 for that small drill bit set. $19.98 for that universal extension cord, 5-piece. $6.98 for that multi-bit screwdriver. It says 6-in-1. Definitely check it out. $49.98 for that 48-piece. It's a nice kit there. It does include some screwdrivers, some sockets, some extensions. $29.98 for that socket set. Like the clear case, really nice. You can see what's inside. Does have some room for more bits there or sockets. And that's the first stack bit set. It's really nice bit set. It does come with all kinds of spade bits, drill bits. So definitely some nice set there. It's a little pricey, but it's always been $24.98, I believe. $69.98 for the 83-piece. And you got the Kobalt XTRs. Definitely recommend check them out. Really nice. So yeah, really nice Kobalt XTRs. Then we got some bits there for $29.98. Some more bits, a smaller kit there for $14.98. So you guys see they're really nice. $19.98 for that drill bit set. And yeah, you got pretty much you can buy any of those tools and get that battery for free. It is a 4 amp hour battery. So any of those kits at the bottom that I showed you guys, either bare tool or multiple tools in one kit, definitely get you that 4 amp hour battery. You got $6.98 for that blade. That's the 48 piece that we were seeing before for $49.98. $11.98 for that 30 piece. $9.98 and $19.98 for the 11 piece there. Yeah, and if you're into Kobalt, if you already have multiple tools, multiple batteries, definitely recommend you check that out. That is the multi-port charger for the Kobalt for $79. You got a 3 amp hour kit there for $99. $16.98, 14 piece, 45 piece. $22.98. I think that's a nice set right there for $16. I mean 16 piece. So definitely check it out for $22.98. You got tool bag there for $39.98. It's a really nice tool bag. Does have a lot of little pockets there, as you guys see. $69.98 for that set. Gotta buy one get one free. So basically, what they're doing is they're just letting you on paper that you can pretty much get that deal. So you Craftsman D20 brushless 2-tool, 4-tool combo or 4-tool combo kit. Get a free cordless tool or a free battery. Basically, that's what these papers mean. So check out your nearest Lowe's and check out those deals that they have. So $1.99 for that brushless kit, and you can get any of those tools for free. $2.99 for that 3-piece or 4-piece, excluding the flashlight. And you got those single batteries or single tools. Yeah, so there's a lot of going on here at Lowe's, so be sure to check it out. That's the 12 volts for $19.98. You got the drill driver for $99. Two batteries, so it does come with two batteries. And then you got the impact driver for $89. Does come with two batteries too, so be sure to check it out. That's the extreme. And then you got the buy one get one free. So you buy any of the 2-tool combo kit, the 12 volt 2-tool combo kit extreme, and you get any brushless cordless reciprocating saw for free. So that's the reciprocating saw you get for free on the right, and that's the kit you have to buy on the left. You got any 20 volt max XR 1/4 brushless impact driver, or I mean brushless cordless, yeah, impact driver, and you get any 3 amp hour battery starter kit. So you get a battery and a charger basically. If you buy an impact driver by itself, tool only, I believe. So that's a good deal. $129 for those. So you do have to look for those yellow tags. Those are probably the best deals that they have. Reduced price or clearance. So $159 for that circular saw, $199 for that reciprocating saw. That's the circular saw there on the bottom. It's a nice little kit there. $199 for that impact driver, drill driver. It is a brushless. It does include a bag and a charger and two batteries. So really nice deal there. Really recommend that for you guys. That's a good deal there. It's good tools. So you got the Metabo reciprocating saw there. $199. That's pretty much the deal that we were seeing right now. Big battery and a small battery. And that's what they were advertising. Lowe's for Pros. It says buy one get one free. Mostly XR tools, bare tools, and you get a free 5 amp hour battery. Be sure to check out all the model numbers on the bottom listed right there. Be sure to check it out if you're in the market for one of those, and you get your free 5 amp hour battery, which is a great deal. You got to buy one get one free from Bosch. So basically, you buy a power tool and you get a 4 amp hour battery for free. So it's basically the same thing, but the DeWalt's XR version. Then you got the $199 deal from Metabo, and that's the Kobalt for $99. As we saw at the beginning, you got the buy one get one free. You got the basically buy one of these 7 1/4 brushless cordless dual bevel complementer saw and get a 6 amp hour battery for free for a total of $269, and it gets you a 5 amp hour battery. If you guys haven't looked at the deals, always look up here if you guys are looking for those deals, those smoking deals, the deals with the hammer drills. I do have on my channel, I just did a video today about let's go back to my channel here. So this is my channel, Toolhead147. Make sure you guys subscribe, hitting the like, hitting the bell, so you can get all the notifications. I do have to go back and correct the spelling on this. I do apologize for that. I was doing this really late last night to like 2 in the morning. And like I said, I was falling asleep. So anyways, DeWalt hammer drill combo deal at Lowe's. So be sure to check it out. You basically got the 887 impact driver, 2 4 amp hour batteries, a charger in a bag, and then you got the 996 hammer drill. That's pretty much top of the line, or what used to be top of the line for DeWalt. Be sure to check out that video. The price, it varies, and each store is different. I live in a big town, Phoenix, Arizona, so there's a lot of stores. Some of the stores had it for $200. Some of the stores had it for $255, and some of them had it for regular price for $389. So be sure to check out your nearest store. Maybe you can get a better deal than me. Well, I haven't bought it yet, but maybe you can get a better deal, like a $7.90, because I've seen some people getting it for $7.98. So be sure to check out that video. That'll explain how it works, and subscribe. And we do also walkthroughs to Home Depot, and we do have other videos here if there's any sales on Home Depot online or stuff like that. So be sure to check out my channel. All right, let's go back to the video. All right, we got some Craftsman here. $89 for the drill driver. It's a great DIY tool. $89 for the impact driver. And they are brushless too, so great deals there. And when you're always at Lowe's, make sure you just take a quick walk here at the miter saw section and at the table saw section here, because sometimes they have these saws on clearance or new lower price, like they did with this Metaboid table saw. They had it for like $3.99 from $5.99 or something like that. So really great deals. You just have to walk through all these aisles and so they could be replacing them with Craftsman. So yeah, I always look for these yellow tags. $6.98 for that. It's actually they ran out of those. It's like a knife there. But yeah, I look for those yellow tags. Anyways, that's it for today. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, so we can buy tools like this, make more tool review videos, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.